Namaskaram everyone. My name is Vasundhara Talware. I'm a yoga lifestyle expert and a transformation coach. We've already covered the two important yoga sutras from Patanjali's Yoga Sutra. The first one says Atha Yoganuशासनम, which emphasizes on the importance of disciplining yourselves in order to walk on the path and progress on the path of yoga. The second one talks about yoga as a chitta vritti nirodha, that which silences the fluctuations of the mind is called yoga. Now the third and a very important yoga sutra following these two is Tadā, drashtuhu, swarupé, awasthānam. It says that once you've walked on the path of self-disciplining yourselves, second, once you've silenced the fluctuations of the mind, is when you experience who you really are. You establish yourselves as a seer and experience the bliss within. You start dwelling in a state where there's nothing. And that's what the third Yoga Sutra speaks about. It says, Tadā drashtuhu swarupé awasthānam. You get established in a state of bliss once all your fluctuations are silenced and you become a seer, an observer and not a participant or a doer. Now let's look at all that's happening in our lives. The good, the bad, the ugly, and it keeps happening over and over and over and over again, right? These are called fluctuations. And there is a purpose behind all of this happening. But until we are unaware and we go about life as it comes, we keep going up and keep going down and repeat the cycle again and again. However, when you understand the real purpose of your life, which is to yoke you towards the ultimate, towards who you really are, establish yourselves as a seer and not a doer, is when you step back and say, hey, this is continuously happening. What is it that I can do to change my state of mind as these things happen in my life? As something goes up, my mind becomes happy. I want to do more of that, seek more of that. And as things don't work, I don't want this, I don't want that, and I want to change this and I want to transform that. So that's how our life has been all these years. But when you become aware of it, you realize that my ultimate goal is to yoke and become one with the universe, one with oneself, one with the super consciousness, and all your actions then become in tune with the same. There's an Upanishad called Chandogya, which gives an example of how once you stumble upon gold and a chunk of gold, and you realize that all ornaments are made from the same gold. The gold in the ornaments is not different from the chunk of gold that you've discovered. Similarly, we are no different. We are all these ornaments in different sizes, shapes, and different stones embedded within us, as qualities, characteristics, circumstances, people, call it whatever you want to. But we come from the same source. The source, the gold chunk, is the same. So all that energizes us, that keeps us going, is the same, and we all are that way is connected. So that's the third Yoga Sutra for you, and hope you find some value in what I have shared with you today. May you progress on this path of yoga. May you silence the fluctuations of your mind by practicing various elements of yoga, which I will be covering in the future. And if you are practicing some, please keep doing so. Thank you for watching, and if you found this of value, please share it with your loved ones. I love you very much. Thank you.